This vehicle is a 2006 Mazda 6 SV6, with 128,000 miles. Brought to you by Desert Import Export. This Mazda is a 4-doors vehicle with 6 cylinders. This vehicle is for sale for only $5,900. For more information, please visit us at DesortImportExport.com or call us at 760-895-5285. Thank you for watching our video.